Hey you, yes you. If you can watch this video until the end, then you will be able to make professional logo for any businesses, websites or YouTube channel directly from your mobile phone, for free. And, now let's start the video. Firstly, you have to download this Logo Maker app from Play Store. Don't worry, you can find link in description below. And, now after you download the app, just open it. And click here on Create Logo. And after this, just click on Art to select any image file that represents your brand. Here, you can find so many arts or picture on different categories. So, since I am making logo for my YouTube channel, I will choose this art or image from education category. Note, but if you want to use these image with VIP tag, then you have to pay $2 and become pro member. But for me, free version works great, so I choose this image. After you choose any image you like, then resize its position for best fit. And here you can find the opacity option, where you can increase or decrease the opacity of your image. And from here you can select the color for your art. So, I will simply choose here the red one. And, again from here you can easily adjust the size of your logo image. Now, I will just apply the white border to the image and it's done. Now, again by clicking here on the background, you can simply choose any background that you like. Or you can choose custom background from your gallery. So, I will just choose yellow background from gallery. And now it's time to add text on the logo. Okay, for that just click here on text. And type your business name. For me, I will just write my YouTube channel name, Techie Man. And, after you write, then just select any font that you like from here. Or you can easily import other custom font clicking here on custom font. Here, I will just choose this number 6 font and continue. And, again from here controls section, you can bold and underline the text. Now, it's time to choose the color for text from here, so I will choose the red one. And, by clicking here on spacing, you can just increase or decrease the space between letters or words. Now, let's skip this opacity section and give some shadow to the text, so you can choose shadow color. And increase the blur for shadow. Now I will just give some white border from here. And, then if you want to give background for your text, then you can give from here. But I will not give any background, so I simply move on to this curve section. And simply curve the text upward. And now it's done. Now it's time to export. For that, just click this right button. And choose the size for your logo from here. And set the image format to PNG. And also select Full HD from here, and it's completely done. Now, export your logo in HD quality by clicking OK. Now, the next step is to subscribe the channel and click that bell icon. Subscribe the channel right now. Do it. I say do it. So, if you have subscribed, then now watch these cool videos. Peace.